Let's learn how to crop a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Like, share, and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips. Start by adding your clip to the Premiere Pro timeline. To crop using the first method, go to the Effects panel, type Crop in the search bar, and drag the crop effect onto your clip. Then, go to Effect Controls and adjust the crop values for each side. To animate the crop, enable the stopwatch for a specific direction, move the playhead to your desired endpoint, and adjust the crop value. For the second method, skip the crop effect and go to the opacity settings in Effect Controls. Use the freeform pen tool to draw a rectangle or any shape around your video. This allows unique crops, including diagonal cuts. That's it. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips.